Okay, Chana, is this a good thing? Because of, it's nice camping out. What do you think? What do you think?
I think that we should wake up.
Wake up?
Yes.
We should wake up? Hey, Adam, let's wake up!
Where am I? Oh, I just had a bad dream.
What was your dream?
I had a dream that cars were after me. I was chasing. Oh, didn't end so well.
Well, that's too bad on you. Huh, Chana? Chana?
Yes.
Hey, everyone, let's go to sleep. Chana, are you gonna go for a walk or something? Yeah. See ya.
Yeah.
Okay, Adam, you go back to sleep.
Okay. So tired. Good night.
Good night. Okay, Charlie, you're going walking. Ha!
Hey, you! Come with me!
Haha! Well, that was a good night's sleep, even though it's still the nighttime. Hey, where did Charna go? Adam! Adam!
Yeah,
Where did Charna go?
I don't know, I was sleeping.
Okay, we gotta find her because I don't know where she is. Like, where could she be?
Oh no, there's only one place she can be this time of night. What if she got kidnapped?
Oh no, you gotta save her. Okay, we need to find out who did this, okay?
She must be somewhere here, right?
Yeah, so let's go on the walk exactly how she did and see if we can find her.
Okay.
Yeah, you move.
Hey!
Hey,
Hey! What are you doing here?
I'm here to get Charna.
Hey, that's Charna. Scram!
Never.
Give me one reason why I should give her back.
Okay, if my dance moves impress you, then you let her go. Deal?
I doubt they'll impress me, but give it a shot.
Okay.
Show me what you got.
Sure.
Wow. I've never seen anything like this.
Well, you gotta stand with this. You gotta deal with it. You let Charna go after this. You got that?
I have to say, I'm truly impressed.
Okay, and we made a deal, so you let Charna go, right?
I'm a man of my word. I'll let her go. A deal's a deal.
Okay, good. Hey, guys, to celebrate that we got Charna back, let's go get some ice cream.
That sounds like a great idea.
Okay, I'm gonna get Charna. What do you want?
A vanilla ice cream with chocolate chip cookie.
Okay, and Adam, what do you want?
I want an entire ice cream cake all to myself to celebrate.
Sure. And I'm gonna get a strawberry. So, Charna, what did you want?
I want an ice cream with chocolate chips on it.
Okay, one ice cream with chocolate chips, please. Okay. And what did you want, Adam?
An Oreo cake, ice cream cake.
Okay, and one Oreo ice cream cake, too. Sure. And I'll get a strawberry. Okay, here's the money. Ta-da.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, what a long day. That was crazy. Thumb Timur took Chana. My dance moves were great. But I'm still wondering if there's any way of improvement. Because of, yeah, that wasn't so good. I think I could do better. Well, because of just your dance moves isn't the best. But I was pretty good. What do you think?